let's click anywhere within the data. Click Insert tab and click Table. Excel normally does pretty good on the suggested range, so make sure that it is the right range. Click OK. Converting a range of data into a table is pretty easy. You can do so by clicking the Insert tab and Table, or you can do it through the Home tab and Format as Table. The keyboard shortcut for converting a list of data into table will be Ctrl+T or Ctrl+L. After you have converted a list of data into table, if you decide you don't want the table format anymore, you can simply go to the Quick Access toolbar and click Undo, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. However, if you have added more data or made changes after the conversion, you will be losing all the changes with the Undo button. So how to convert the table back to a regular range of data without losing all the changes that you have made on the worksheet. Now let's click Redo to go back to the Excel table that we just created. Click anywhere inside the table range. On the ribbon, we see the Table Design or Design tab. Click that. In the Tools group, Convert to Range. The description says, convert this table into a normal range of cells. All of the data is preserved. Convert to range. You will see a warning. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? And click Yes. If you change your mind, you can always undo what you just did. Excel table now has been converted into a normal range of data. However, it still keeps the table format. Certain Excel users use this to apply table format, but not to use the table features. If you want to remove the table format, you will select the range that has the table format from A1 to I16. Go to the Home tab off to your right, Editing Group. Click the drop arrow after Clear and click Clear Format. Now the table format has been removed. Now let's undo a couple of times back to our table. Another way to do this, before the conversion, we can simply remove the formatting from the table first. Click anywhere within the table. Go to Table Design or Design tab. Off to your right, Table Styles. Click the drop arrow with a horizontal bar for more. Go to the bottom, click Clear at the bottom of this option. This allows you to clear the table styles, and then back to the ribbon Table Design Tools, Convert to Range. Click that. Excel warning says, do you want to convert the table into a normal range? Click Yes. And this is how we convert an Excel table back to a normal range. You will not be able to merge cells in an Excel table format. However, you can convert the Excel table back to the normal range and then merge the cells from there. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.